Today, we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to disable First Stories notifications on Instagram when you're using your PC, especially after the recent updates. If these notifications have been bugging you, don't worry, it's a simple process. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram account in your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, look at the left bottom corner of your screen. You'll see a small icon that resembles 3 horizontal lines. Click on that More icon. Now that you've clicked on it, a menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select Settings. This will take you to a new window where you can customize your Instagram experience. In the Settings menu, look for the Notifications option and click on it. This is where you can manage all your notification preferences. Once you're in the Notifications section, move on to the Push Notifications option. Clicking here will show you all the types of notifications you can enable or disable. Now, you'll see a list that includes various categories like comments, likes, and of course, First Stories notifications. To stop receiving those First Stories notifications, look for the Comments Likes section. Here, you have the option to set it to Off. Click that, and just like that, you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully disabled First Stories notifications on Instagram. Now you can enjoy your browsing without those distractions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your social media experience.